I think really watching all the news reports about what was happening and seeing the level of suffering, I just eventually decided that I felt very strongly that I wanted to go. I hope that I've got some skills and experience that will be useful, and I just wanted to contribute something. And the fact that DFID, in partnership with Save the Children and other NGOs like Emergency, the one I'm going with, have put together this effort. They've given us great training. It felt like a reasonable and important thing to do, basically.
And Andy, Hannah's been put through something like 9 days of intense training to try and keep her safe as well as help people out there. Does that put your mind at rest?
It does. We had spent last night at the family home, and so I was able to debrief her about that, and I think I was quite pleased. It was a thorough, it was a proper facility set up for this training. The Army ran it in a Army fashion, and so I was reassured by the training they've had, albeit when they get out there it'll be a whole new ball game.
When Hannah said she wanted to go out to Sierra Leone and help fight against Ebola, what was your reaction?
There was an air of the inevitability about it. I mean, she's been training in critical healthcare and infectious diseases, and so I think knowing her, when something like this came up, she'd be bound to think about it. So her mum and I were prepared for that. Obviously, there's a certain amount of parental care, but I'm very proud and pleased that she's doing it.
Hannah, is there an element of nervousness about this? Because, of course, some medical professionals have actually caught Ebola when they've been trying to help. Are you nervous about this trip? Yeah,
I think that you need to have a degree of trepidation. It is a dangerous situation. All of the steps that we've taken over the last 9 days, all of the efforts that the Army and DFID and its partners have made to make sure that we work in a safe way doesn't mitigate against the fact that it is a highly dangerous virus. And it will be an uncomfortable and very strange working sort of environment for me, very different to anything I've done before. So I think that it will be a big challenge, and I hope that, I think that, and I'm confident that the team here will meet that challenge.